In this video, I want to talk about how to export all the URLs from the sitemap. For that, I'm taking one example from the interview guys sitemap. See, look at this sitemap. See, there are a number of URLs. If we want to export these all URLs, we can't. We need to copy paste like that. But it will be like a different format you will get. Instead of that, I have one idea. I'll show you how to do that. Okay, this is a spreadsheet. This is predefined. Like I have included all the script here. You just need to add that sitemap here. That's it. Boom. You can see all the URLs here. Look at all the URLs here. That's it. You just need to copy paste from here. That's it. Your problem will be solved. Thank you. And one more thing, I will add this spreadsheet into the description box. You can even take from the copy. You can use it from your usage. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel.